We have a special day today. Another BMW killer is arriving.
Lambo?
Yeah.
The new one?
Extras already backing up.
It's on the way. It's on the way here now.
This is the Performante?
It's one of the first ones on the West Coast.
With S or Performante?
Performante, man?
Can we test drive it?
No. First wide body here is Performante in the world. I love saying first because we are always first. Why take you so long, man?
It's called traffic. It happens
I'm
sometimes.
joking. I told him to call you and bother you every second. This is all new. This design is new here. This is new. See, this like protrudes out. The diffuser's new. This vent here is new. The other one used to be like this, opposite. Wheels are different. These are basically the same, but it has the Performante logo. Front vent is a little different. There's actually air comes through here and it comes out of here. The bumper is different design as well. Interior has more Alcantara, stuff like that. Brakes are the same. I want to look at the suspension, but I can't see it right now because I heard some rumors that it's not air, but I think it is, so we'll see. The hood is different. You can't see it right now because it's on the tow truck. And the roof, if he has the carbon roof option, there's a sick design on the roof. That's my favorite part about the new year. So super excited to get to work on this. This is one of the first ones in the West Coast, and it will be the first wide body in the world because we already have a scan of it. We already have 3D molds being created. 1016 is already jumping on it because it was their biggest seller, our biggest project. So we're really pushing forward on it fast. We're gonna be wrapping this car another color. It's not gonna stay yellow. But yeah, we'll talk about it more. We're gonna get out the tow truck right now.
It's the same car, bro.
Same car.
I sure it's the same car. They just bumped the price on it. They changed this. Everything is the same. Carbon. They just add this carbon and bump the price on it. They add this. It's carbon. But everything is the same.
It was such a good car to begin with.
Yeah. Suspect. I don't know.
This is a little bit more out. This entire section is pushed more back. Yeah. Talk, it has like this other thing like until here. This one comes out more and it's got these side blades and stuff. Literally the best part of the Performante probably is the wing in the back.
For hood, you're paying 200,000 more. You think it's 400,000. So how much?
Yeah, it's not just the hood.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of differences.
What else?
It's a lighter car. The whole roof is carbon.
Wow.
The rear bumper's different. Front bumper's different.
200,000 for ladder car.
Like, it's just jealous BMW has nothing that competes with this.
Yeah, XM is coming.
Who cares about that car?
The i8 was close to this, right?
No. I is like
The
a.
discontinued one? The one that hit a wall over here?
Yeah, that's the coupe. The XM is coming. The red label is coming. Cayenne Coupe GT is faster than this
Who's
car.
racing, bro? We're not 12.
Bro, why would you pay 400,000? It's a slow ass SUV.
Why would you lease a car?
80% of the United States people lease a car. You didn't lease the car.
Not this man. No,
Okay,
no.
hold on. When you got the S car, did you list it or no?
All my cars are bought.
No. When you listed it and you didn't list to buy.
Yeah, I was broke back then.
80%.
You're still a lease. And you're
Yes.
still broke.
Why did you give him props?
Because it's true. That's true. You have 2 minutes. Ask me.
What are you doing?
What do you want?
I told you, I asked you, you ask him. What happened?
No, you told me. I told him stop wasting. Like I have a few questions asked to me.
So I asked you and then I asked him, Mano. So I have the answer already. Why I have to ask him again?
Yeah. What the hell? Why are you wasting my time?
But he's like, I want to talk to Rick. You didn't tell me that was the question.
It's the same thing.
Why did you waste my
I asked
time?
him the same thing.
No.
It's the same question.
Okay, what?
Sarkis, in the last YouTube episode, he said he works harder than you. And all the comments are people very mad. They're upset.
Why?
Because they think you work harder than Sarkis.
And you sitting over here, smoking cigarette, and I working in the back.
Yes.
On his day
Okay,
off, he
hold on.
works harder than you.
On the podcast, we talked about who's a harder worker. Look at him. And look at him.
Okay,
He looks
Look
like
at
a
me.
fucking
Look at me.
Russian
I have
model.
to, look, I have to manage the wrong ideas. I have to manage.
But you good money here, but you don't do whatever you have to do. Yeah.
You guys cannot organize that glass. That glass is not organized.
I asked you, he said yes.
Okay,
But you
man.
say no.
That's so slow. I don't need that much. Hold
Okay,
on.
we're off the ground.
It's not air suspension anymore. Jeez.
How do we lower it?
That's
it?
a copy BMW using the springs. This thing.
Go to your house.
Lowering links.
Sit there.
They copied the BMW, so you can't. It is. See, like
You know what is happening to him right now, right?
His foot's going the other way.
Eat it up because he's so jealous.
jealousy for what? I wasn't gonna get
Game
it.
is
here.
on your payroll.
All right, we are standing in front of this G63 4x4 monster right here. This is a beautiful truck. It is in the factory Designio matte black color, and now it has Brabus components on it. As you can see, carbon fiber Brabus hood scoop. It is in gloss carbon fiber to match the factory gloss that's everywhere around the car. And really, this front bumper right here is my favorite feature. This is actually a wide star Brabus bumper. This bumper doesn't really belong on this car. It doesn't fit this car. We had to do some stuff to make it fit and make it happen, and it came out amazing. It has the LED on the bottom, of course, and like I said, it is a wider front bumper. A lot of people are doing the lower lip on it, but leaving the factory bumper. And as you can see, the front bar is gone too. So you have a massive, wide front end, more sporty, more aggressive. We also have the B Brabus logo in the front center right here. It looks incredible. You got the B on the hood, and you have a little B Brabus plaque down here on the front bumper. We activated the top lights with a button because that thing is super bright. US spec cars do not come in with any wiring for that. And of course, the beautiful wheels, the RDB Zero wheels. 24-inch with 37-inch off-road Toyo tires. Looks incredible. You see a little bit of dirt here because we went a little bit off trail to get you some shots. But this thing drives so smooth, and it could go off-roading, and it could have wheels like this all at the same time, with super luxurious interior, red interior actually. We're gonna be doing more of these. They're really, really good trucks. They are very expensive, so a lot of people are scared to touch them, but this also got a full Clearbra paint protection film as well. You wanna protect this matte beauty, so full paint protection as well. So wheels, paint protection, Clearbra, Brabus hood, Brabus wide star front bumper, top lights activated, and there you have it. All right, guys. The Performante Urus is already on the lift. Wheels are already off the car. It already has wheels being made for it. We're seeing some differences. The biggest difference is no more air suspension. I don't know, good or bad. I really enjoy the air suspension on my Urus. It's one of my best features. Honestly, I use it every day. And this is static now, springs. I'm sure it's for handling and for lighter weight, of course. Honestly, my car, the previous generation Urus handles really, really well. You don't need more than that, honestly. So I think they really did it for a more weight-saving purpose. So traditional spring shock forward as well. So we're gonna already be developing a lowering kit for it. We already literally figured out the springs on it, reference pointed it with another car and that kind of stuff. So we're figuring out how to lower the new Urus already. And obviously, like I said, we are going to be wide bodying this thing. So we know the sides are different here, but how all the vents, the rear bumper, the front bumper, diffuser, all that stuff is different than the previous generation Urus. So we're going to be having to develop everything out of scratch on that. The rear bumper has this protruding piece here, which I actually really like. Much different than the previous one, did not have that. As you see, the diffuser is different. This middle shape right here is different. A lot of differences, and we're going to have to accommodate to that for the wide body kit. But we're going to do it fast because it's in demand. I have several guys waiting for the wide body on these, and we're going to be developing it as quickly as possible. But there you have it. Urus Performante already at RDB, already on our lift, already measuring things, already getting started on it. So stay tuned.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!